Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. It's me, your computer teacher Naila Faisal. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, that is uses of computer. Computers have been so important for us that it is impossible to perform many tasks without them. They are used in almost every area. Computers can be used for a number of tasks in school, railway stations, airports, banks, hospitals, and offices. Let us now learn in detail about the uses of computers in different fields. Computers are used in school to make timetable, to keep fee records, to maintain students' record, to create circulars, to keep track of books in the library, and to help in teaching. Teachers use computer for the different purposes. For example, preparing lessons, teaching different subjects from the internet, and preparing report cards. Students also use computer for preparing projects and learning different subjects. Computers are used in railway stations and airports booking counters, where all computers are connected to a common network. This enables people to book tickets from any town or city to any other place. Computers help in booking tickets, giving information about the arrival and departure timings of trains and aeroplanes. Computers helps in creating the animation shown in films. Animation is the process of preparing lively cartoon as seen on television. Pictures can be easily modified nowadays on a computer to suit the requirements of a film. Special effects such as sequence of battle, an earthquake or fire can be created using a computer. These special effects can also be combined with real scenes and characters when needed with the help of computers. In banks, computers are used to store details of customers' bank accounts. A computer also helps us withdraw and deposit money using something called an ATM. ATM stands for automated teller machine. It helps to withdraw the money at any time. Computers are used to maintain records of patients in hospitals. Sometimes computer can also be used to identify diseases. Computers helps doctor in performing operations. Computers are also used to prepare medical reports of patients. Computers are used in school to make timetable, to keep fee records, to maintain students' record, to create circulars, to keep track of books in the library, and to help in teaching. Teachers use computer for the different purposes. For example, preparing lessons, teaching different subjects from the internet, and preparing report cards. Computers are used in designing as well. Architects design buildings and houses on computers. Engineers design cars, aeroplanes on computers. A dress designer designs dresses on a computer. Computers are widely used in space technology. Computers are used to monitor and control space equipment like satellites. Satellites are linked to computers which provide information for space research. Space shuttles and rockets which take man into space are controlled by computers. Computers are used by publishers and publishing houses to design and print newspapers, magazines, and books. So, my students, I hope all of you have learned about the application of computers in different areas. Inshallah, I will meet you in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.